Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is lesson 2 of cloth diapering for beginners, and today we're talking about the two different types of closures for diapers: snaps and Velcro. So snaps, the first type. The pros for snaps are that they're really durable. They last through many washes and multiple children. They also are hard for baby to take off, so that once the diaper is on, once the snaps are in place, then baby will not be able to take off diaper. The cons are that if you can see, there's all these different types, these different snaps on the front panel. So when you're putting on baby, you can adjust the sizing depending on baby's waist size. You can get a really good customized fit, but you sometimes can get a better fit with Velcro because you can put the Velcro on at any place on this strip here on the front panel. Some people say it's slightly harder to put on snaps rather than Velcro, and I think if if your caregiver, someone has difficulty putting the snaps on, that could be true. But all in all, it's a really minimal difference as far as difficulty in using both of the closures. Another thing is that, like, listening to the snaps putting on and off is very satisfying for me, so that's a pro for me. Velcro is really easy to use because it looks just like disposable diapers. So if someone is familiar with putting on a disposable diaper, it's the same process for using Velcro. So like I said, you can get a really good customized fit. So on this front panel is all Velcro. It's all sticky, so depending on how big baby is, you can put the Velcro tab according to the size of baby. Cons are that the Aplex wears faster. Thirsty's hook and loop or Velcro is really durable, so you shouldn't have too much wear, but it does wear faster than the snaps. What's great is that there's these tabs on the back where you put the sticky side of the tab on like that before you put it in the wash, so that the sticky Velcro part doesn't get on anything else in the wash. The con is that you do have to remember to put it the tab here before throwing it in the wash. So it's a small step, but it is something you need to remember. Also, sometimes babies learn how to take off Velcro, which Mamo has learned how to do that yesterday. So she has learned how to take off the Velcro. Another con is that sometimes when baby's in diaper and he or she is sitting down, their opu or their stomach can rub up against this front panel hook and loop, which may cause like some irritation on the baby. We haven't really found that to be a problem, but that's what some people also say. So that's all I have to say about the two different closures for cloth diapers: snaps and Velcro. If you like these or want to see more, please stick around for lesson 3. Bye!